Hello everyone, everything I'm about to show you in this video has been reviewed by the mechanics at the shop where I'm at right now, so relax. We're going to fix your car's issue together. When a customer comes in with the warning, low battery risk, start vehicle to charge 12-volt battery, the first thing we notice is that the system is telling us the 12-volt battery could be at risk if the engine isn't started soon. This doesn't necessarily mean the battery is dead. Rather, the car's electrical system detects that it could discharge if it isn't recharged while the engine is running. One customer told us, "I parked the car, and when I came back, the message appeared even though I hadn't left anything on," which confirms that modern Mazdas are very sensitive to electrical drain when the engine is off. At the same time, other customers notice the message shows up intermittently. One said, "Not, sometimes in the morning when I start the car, everything is fine, and other times the warning appears after a few minutes of driving." In the shop, this tells us the system is monitoring how the battery holds its charge as the car enters and exits sleep mode, and when it detects a potential risk, it triggers the warning to protect the battery. When inspecting the car, we always start with the battery and the charging system. One shop technician always says, "Before worrying about software or complicated modules, check the battery and alternator because often they are within specs, but don't hold the charge properly under certain conditions." This aligns with cases where customers with relatively new batteries still saw the warning, showing that the message can appear even with a healthy battery, just due to the way Mazda manages the vehicle's energy. At the same time, Mazda service bulletins explain this warning and how to handle it. One technician told me, "On some models, simply starting the engine and letting it run for a few minutes temporarily clears the warning. It's a feature designed to protect the battery even if it seems a bit extreme. This means the message is often preventative, but it shouldn't be ignored. However, in other cases, when the warning appears repeatedly, it could indicate a real problem with the battery or alternator." One of our technicians says, "If the battery is already 3 to 4 years old and you keep seeing this message, it's a good idea to run a full battery and charging test because it might be near the end of its life." This is key because ignoring a weak battery could leave you stranded unexpectedly.